Are you ready to experience the epitome of luxury and natural beauty? Welcome, my fellow globetrotters, to East Marbella, a gem nestled on the sunlit southern coast of Spain. Here, the azure Mediterranean Sea laps against the sun-kissed sands, and the air is perfumed with the scent of blooming orange trees. Yes, we are in the region of Andalusia, where the sun shines more than 300 days a year. East Marbella is no ordinary destination. It's a playground for the rich and famous, a haven of upscale refinement. But it's not just about luxury here. East Marbella is a place where nature and opulence coexist in harmonious balance. It's an elixir of life that invites you to relax, rejuvenate, and revel in its beauty. Bordered by the majestic Sierra Blanca Mountains and the sparkling Mediterranean, East Marbella offers a unique blend of picturesque landscapes and cosmopolitan charm. The lush green golf courses, the pristine beaches, the vibrant marinas. Every corner of East Marbella is a testament to the good life. But what makes East Marbella truly unique is its ability to preserve its natural beauty amidst the luxury. It's not just about the high-end boutiques or the Michelin-starred restaurants. It's about the serene Andalusian landscapes, the whispering olive groves, the azure skies that merge with the sea at the horizon. It's about the cheerful chirping of birds that break the quiet of the morning, the warm Andalusian sun that paints the sky with hues of gold. East Marbella is a place that whispers tales of history, of cultures that have left their mark, of the Moorish influence that's evident in its architecture. It's a place that invites you to explore, to discover, to immerse yourself in its charm. So whether you're a nature lover seeking solace, a luxury seeker looking for an upscale getaway, or a history enthusiast keen to explore the rich tapestry of cultures, East Marbella has something for everyone. East Marbella, a paradise where the serenity of nature meets the allure of luxury. So buckle up as we embark on a journey to explore this paradise, unveiling its many charms one by one. Imagine starting your day with the sun caressing your skin and the sea whispering in your ears. In East Marbella, every morning is a symphony of nature's finest moments. The beaches here are not just stretches of sand, but they are the heart and soul of this vibrant city. As the sun rises, the beaches of East Marbella transform into a bustling hub of activity. Take a stroll along the water's edge, your footprints the only interruption in the pristine sand. Here you can surrender to the rhythm of the waves, or if you're feeling adventurous, dive into a world of water sports. From the thrill of jet skiing to the grace of paddleboarding, East Marbella's azure waters offer endless opportunities for fun and excitement. But if relaxation is more your style, East Marbella has you covered. Picture yourself lounging on a sunbed, a good book in hand and a refreshing cocktail by your side. This is not a dream, but a typical day at one of East Marbella's popular beach clubs. These clubs are sanctuaries of leisure where you can unwind under the Spanish sun and let the hours drift away. As the day progresses, your senses will be tantalized by the enticing aromas wafting from the beachside restaurants and bars. East Marbella is a gastronomic paradise where local chefs craft dishes that are a feast for both the eyes and the palate. From fresh seafood paellas to traditional tapas, every bite is a celebration of Spanish flavors, and let's not forget the drinks. Whether you fancy a glass of crisp Spanish wine or a vibrant cocktail, the local bars offer a wide range of beverages to quench your thirst. As you sip your drink, soak in the panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea, an experience that is as intoxicating as the beverages themselves. As the sun sets, the beach clubs of East Marbella come alive, offering a nightlife experience that is second to none. Under the starlit sky, you can dance to the rhythm of the music or simply enjoy the cool sea breeze. In East Marbella, the day may end, but the memories you create will last a lifetime. Feel the pulse of East Marbella as you discover its rich cultural heritage and stunning architecture. As we delve into the heart of this vibrant city, the architectural grandeur unfurls before our eyes, a testament to its storied past and forward-thinking future. Turn your gaze and you'll see the Old Town, a maze of narrow, winding streets lined with whitewashed houses, their balconies overflowing with colorful blooms. Here, the charm of old-world Spain is beautifully preserved in the historic buildings, each with its own tale to tell. The Church of Santa Maria, for instance, stands as a glorious example of 16th-century Gothic architecture, its intricate stonework whispering stories of the past. Yet East Marbella is not just a city stuck in time. Its skyline is a fascinating blend of the old and new. Contemporary structures like the Marbella Conference Centre showcase a modern, innovative side of the city. With its sleek lines and cutting-edge design, it reflects the progressive spirit of East Marbella. The cultural landscape of East Marbella is as diverse as its architecture. Local cultural events like the Marbella International Film Festival bring together artists and enthusiasts from around the globe, creating a melting pot of ideas and creativity. The city is also home to a plethora of art galleries, each brimming with a staggering array of artworks that span styles and eras. And let's not forget the museums, the guardians of Marbella's cultural heritage. The Raleigh Museum, for instance, houses one of the most significant collections of Latin American art in Europe, while the Bonsai Museum is an oasis of tranquility that showcases an impressive array of miniature trees. In East Marbella, culture and architecture are deeply intertwined, each shaping and reflecting the other. The city's buildings, from the ancient to the avant-garde, are more than just structures. They are tangible expressions of its history, aspirations, and artistic spirit. The cultural events, galleries, and museums, on the other hand, are vibrant platforms for creative expression and dialogue. In East Marbella, every corner tells a story of its diverse cultural heritage and architectural brilliance. Embrace the thrill of adventure as you explore the untouched beauty of East Marbella's natural landscapes. Here, nature is not just a backdrop, but a playground for the adventurous at heart. Begin your day with a refreshing hike through the Sierra Blanca mountain range. As you ascend the rugged trails, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea, an awe-inspiring sight that will make the early morning exertion worthwhile. But the mountains aren't just for the breathtaking views, they are home to a diverse array of wildlife. You could catch a glimpse of the elusive Iberian lynx or the majestic Spanish imperial eagle soaring above. As you tread lightly along the paths, you may even encounter the nimble Spanish ibex, a type of wild goat native to these mountains. And let's not forget about the vibrant bird life. Birdwatchers will be in paradise here, with opportunities to spot over 200 species of birds, including the rare Bernelli's eagle and the colorful bee-eater. From the peaks, descend into the verdant nature reserves that dot the region. Here you can marvel at the unique flora and fauna with plants and flowers you won't find anywhere else in the world. The Andalusian orchid, with its vibrant hues and delicate petals, is a sight to behold. If you're in for a bit more adrenaline, why not try canyoning in the Guadalmina River? It's an exhilarating experience that combines hiking, climbing, and swimming, taking you through the heart of the wild landscapes. As the day draws to a close, unwind in one of the many beautiful parks, like the Parque de la Constitución. Here you can relax amidst the lush greenery and reflect on the day's adventures. In East Marbella, nature's bounty offers endless opportunities for adventure and exploration. This is a place where you can truly immerse yourself in the great outdoors, feeling the pulse of the earth beneath your feet and the wind in your hair. Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? 3 days in East Marbella can only offer a glimpse into its mesmerizing beauty and vibrant lifestyle. Our journey started with the sun-kissed beaches, where the golden sands met the azure blue waters, creating a serene landscape that instantly put us in holiday mode. We soaked up the sun, enjoyed leisurely walks, and even indulged in a few water sports. The beaches of East Marbella, with their perfect mix of tranquility and fun, set the tone for the rest of our trip. The second day took us on a cultural discovery through the stunning architecture of East Marbella. We wandered through the narrow cobblestone streets lined with whitewashed houses, their balconies bursting with colorful flowers. We admired the majestic churches, their intricate details a testament to the craftsmanship of a bygone era. And let's not forget the vibrant local markets, where the air was filled with the aroma of fresh produce and tantalizing local cuisine. Our final day was dedicated to nature and adventure. We ventured into the lush green landscapes, where the mountains provided a striking contrast to the beach we had left behind. We hiked, we explored, and we lost ourselves in the raw beauty of East Marbella's natural environment. The chirping of the birds, the rustling of the leaves, and the cool mountain breeze became our soundtrack for the day. Each day in East Marbella offered us a unique experience, a unique memory. The laid-back beach life, the rich cultural heritage, and the stunning natural landscapes. All these elements combined to create an experience that was both diverse and fulfilling. Our 3-day itinerary only scratched the surface of what East Marbella has to offer. There are still countless hidden gems waiting to be discovered, countless experiences waiting to be lived, and that's the beauty of East Marbella. It always leaves you wanting to explore more, to experience more. East Marbella awaits you, promising a blend of luxury and nature that will leave you longing for more. If you enjoyed this journey through East Marbella and the tantalizing taste of the luxuriant lifestyle and natural beauty it offers, we have a small favor to ask. If this video has kindled a spark of wanderlust in you, please consider clicking the like button. It's a small gesture, but it helps us a lot. If you want to keep exploring beautiful destinations like East Marbella with us, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We have many more exciting journeys planned, and we'd love to share them with you. Remember, every click brings us one step closer to our next adventure. Thank you for watching, and until our next journey, keep exploring. Don't forget to like and subscribe!